guys, Jennifer Lawrence here, excited to introduce to you my newest listings in the Cascades, which is a 55 and up community located in the heart of World Golf Village. Let me show you why this is one of my favorite communities. This home is complete with your own screened-in lanai with a water view. And if you're a golf enthusiast, I can't wait to show you what else this neighborhood has to offer. This home is located a short golf cart ride to one of the top 50th golf courses in the country, along with the World Golf Village Hall of Fame, the Caddy Shack restaurant, and lots of local businesses. We're at the amenity center for the Cascades 55 and up community. Let's go check it out inside and show you what all they have to offer. Enjoy Florida living at its finest with your pool, hot tub, an outdoor kitchen, and a heated pool. Welcome to your cozy, heated indoor pool. And who doesn't love a pickleball court? You have tennis, you have basketball, you have croquet. Anything you want to play is at your fingertips.